Hi everybody, I want to show you a real easy way of making clamp-on trailer lights for a small boat. What I did is I went down to Harbor Freight and I got a set of these clamps. Okay, and what I did is I welded a little bracket on the back of it, and all that does is just bolt onto the trailer light, just like this. Okay, ground wire on, bolts back on. Should bring some coordination. And this one. Put that one on. I'll tighten them up later, but this is just giving you the idea. And what you just do is simply just take it like this, squeeze it up, and clamp it on. I've taken this from Massachusetts up in Maine multiple times, never had one fall off. And there you go, nice and easy. Way to go. Kill 'em.